another tech tip on General Motors Active Fuel Management Systems, AFM, otherwise known as displacement on demand. The heart of the system, as you know, is the V-loom, the valve lifter oil manifold assembly. Now I've got one removed from the engine. It usually is situated right between the cylinder heads, and I've got it flipped upside down to talk about one of those do and don't do kind of things. One of the things you do want to do is electrical continuity testing. And if you do find an open circuit or high resistance in a circuit for one of these 4 solenoids that deactivate one of the 4 cylinders on the V8 engines, you may want to inspect this circuit board right here that connects the connector down here to each of the 4 solenoids. Now what can happen if you're not careful, here's the do's and don'ts. Don't pick the unit up by the circuit board. Looks like it's a handy little handle to pick the thing up. Don't do that. Always pick up the unit by the body. Because if you pick it up by the circuit board, watch what happens, crack. The weight of the unit can break that circuit board. So you may have a circuit board that's not completely broke. It could just be cracked and the connections are almost ready to come loose and you have higher than normal resistance, or you have open resistance, infinity, OL, on your meter, and that's telling you somebody possibly has broken this. So always handle with care and avoid picking this up because you may create an open circuit that wasn't there before.